Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Huawei Watch D2 versus Huawei Watch D. First up, the dimensions. The Watch D2 is slightly smaller at 48 by 38 by 13.3 millimeters, while the Watch D measures 51 by 38 by 13.6 millimeters. Moving to weight, the D2 is a bit lighter at 40 grams compared to the D's 40.9 grams. For wrist size, both support 130 to 210 millimeters, but the D2's large size fits up to 210 millimeters, whereas the D caps at 200 millimeters. Now, water resistance, both come with an IP68 rating, so no worries about splashes. On to display. The D2 boasts a 1.82-inch AMOLED screen, while the D has a smaller 1.64-inch AMOLED. Talking resolution, the D2 wins with 480 by 408 pixels, whereas the D offers 456 by 280 pixels. And the PPI? The D2 edges ahead again at 347 PPI compared to the D's 326 PPI. For battery life, the Watch D takes the lead, lasting 7 days, while the D2 manages 6 days. Both watches support wireless charging, keeping it convenient. Connectivity, the D2 comes with Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC, while the D uses Bluetooth 5.1 and NFC. Wi-Fi, neither watch has it, simple and streamlined. When it comes to speakers and microphones, the D2 includes both, while the D skips them altogether. Now for system requirements. The D2 supports Android 8.0, iOS 13.0 or later, while the D works with Android 6.0, iOS 12.0 or later. Talking sensors both include an accelerometer, gyroscope, optical heart rate, ambient light, temperature, differential pressure, and Hall sensor, but the D2 adds a magnetometer, ECG sensor, and barometer for extra functionality. As for the operating system, both run on Harmony OS, smooth and efficient. Finally, let's check out the colors. The D2 is available in black and white, while the D comes in graphite black. Let's talk price. The Huawei Watch D2 comes in at a premium $634, while the Huawei Watch D is a more budget-friendly $260. Let's talk about pros. Huawei Watch D2, bigger, sharper 1.82 AMOLED display, 347 PPI. Extra sensors, ECG, magnetometer, barometer. Huawei Watch D, 7-day battery life, affordable price at $260. Let's talk about cons. Huawei Watch D2, expensive at $634. Slightly shorter battery life, 6 days. Huawei Watch D, smaller 1.64-inch display with lower resolution. Lacks ECG and advanced sensors. Which con is a deal breaker for you? Now it's time to winner. And the winner is the Huawei Watch D2. It takes the crown for its sleeker thickness, lighter weight, larger screen size, better resolution, higher PPI, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and advanced sensors like ECG and magnetometer. Do you agree with this pick? Let me know below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.